Hello everyone, welcome back to Logic Binder. In this video, we will discuss how to convert regular expression to syntax tree. Here we need to remember mainly two important points. First one is precedence and then associativity. The precedence of star is, Kleene closure is greater than AND operation, and that is greater than OR operation. Coming to associativity, for AND operation it is from left to right, for OR operation also from left to right. Let us see some examples. First one, A plus AB star, or you can write A or AB star also. Okay, you can use plus or symbol for OR operation. Let us do this. Here star is having higher precedence. First we will draw for that one. We are applying star on B, and then see this is okay. Here you are doing concatenation. Next, after star, which one is having higher precedence? And means concatenation dot. You will perform dot with A. See here, A dot B star. Next, you will perform OR plus with A. Got it? Remember, if you are writing something A dot B, you have to take A to the left and B to the right. Similarly, if you are taking A plus B, here also like this you have to take A to the left, B to the right. That's why I have taken A to the left and B star to the right, and A plus A to the left and remaining part AB star to the right. This is the syntax tree for A plus AB star. Here we have to see one thing. Based on the precedence level, the operation will appear in the syntax tree. Whatever the operator which is having higher precedence, that will appear at the lower level in the syntax tree. See here, star is having higher precedence than any other operator, and then AND is having higher precedence, and then plus. Okay, the operations will be done from lower level to higher level. Means star is performed first, lower level. Next lower level is dot. It is performed dot with A, and then plus. In this way, syntax tree is constructed. Next example is A star dot B star dot A star. Otherwise, they may give simply as A star B star A star. Okay, here see which dot is performed first. When you are having two dots in an expression, we have to see the associativity. Okay, for AND it is from left to right. Means first left one is done. Left dot is performed first and then right dot is performed next. Means see here, this dot I am taking here. To the left it is A star. This side it is B star. This is performed first, and then this dot is performed. To this dot, to the left side A star B star is there. To the right side you are having again A star. This is the diagram for A star B star A star. Third one, A dot B dot A plus B whole star. Actually we will perform star part, right? Here under star what you are having again? Plus. It is done for A and then B. Okay. Now In these two dots, which one you have to perform first? This dot. As you are having associative for and from left to right, this left and is performed first. Means this part is to the right side and A dot B is to the left side. Let me take this side. A dot B. Okay, and then this dot is performed with A star B. Sorry, this is dot. Got it? Fourth example, A star B plus A star A B. Means here you are having concatenation. Okay. This dot is performed first and then this and then this. Okay. I am taking this dot and to its left side what you are having? A star. This side again you are having Kleene Closure and this, right? B and then A. Okay. And then this dot is performed with A. Then this dot is performed with B. This is how you have to construct syntax tree when a regular expression is given. Okay. Thank you for watching.